Hey everyone, my name's Carlo, and today we're going to be making an app, but with a twist. We're going to be making a random app. So let me explain. We're going to be making an app that I have not planned for, but we'll be using the code.org app lab. Now, I have not planned for anything. I'm just going to be making stuff up on the way, and hopefully this can maybe teach you how to use the code.org app lab, or can help you get some ideas on how to design an app. So we'll be using the design tab and the showing blocks and showing text. So let's get started. So I want to make an app that shipping service app where it will let you pay for shipping labels, tell you the status of your shipment, and get employees to use the same app on the same base and also purchase or use the shipping label the customers paid for already. So yeah, so we can make our own shipping service. So we can call it ShipIt, right? Save, and we can go ahead and make this the menu screen. So let's go ahead and pick a color. I want it to be somewhere around the greenish color, make it a little lighter. And we're gonna go ahead and put here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to be putting the version name. So it's going to be version 1.0.0 and put status beta. Okay, so the reason I usually add this is because when you are designing an app, code.org doesn't have a way to turn off the app. And if people are constantly using this, at least this is a way where they can know that, oh, okay, this is an update and it's a little buggy. Because as you're making updates, it can easily save and share to the world, and those people that are using the app will see like a random button that you added, and when you click it, the whole app crashes while you're still coding it. So I find that this is better, so at least some people know that, oh, okay, the app is being worked on. I'll go ahead and not use it, or I'll go ahead and use it with warning. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the logo. Choose, and then we can put, do we have a box? Okay, well, we can put a globe. How's that? And then we can go ahead and make it a little small. And we can go ahead and put right here, ShipIt. And we'll call it global, ShipIt global. So the reason I always put it all the way to the end, the label, is so when people are using the app on different phones, the text can shrink and it will turn something like this. So I prefer something like this. Makes it a little easier for the average consumer. Let's move it a little. Okay, let's move it a lot. Somewhere put it in the middle. And let's make it a little bigger. ShipIt global. Let's make the globe a little bigger. There we go. Let's also put right here, ShipIt global. Okay. So we got that. So let's make a motto. So ShipIt global, making international deliveries since 1901. No, 1991. And we'll make it a little smaller. Or like that. And we can put it a little closer. Like that. There we go. So we're gonna have probably this one called Track My Shipment. Make it blue, or actually let's make it a little red. Okay. Next, I usually add a button right here, and then add another button so it has some spacing. And I'll leave this here. This we will call login to my account. Or actually, let's put it right here. And let's color it a little differently. I might actually change the icon color on here, since this is one of code.org's app or icons. Let's make it blue. Okay, so we got all that set up. So now we should go ahead and actually we should put a purchase. Purchase prepaid label. Wait, that doesn't. Purchase prepaid label. And we can go ahead and make this blue. Somewhere around there. Okay, so now we can go ahead and put right here on the text, all copyrights reserved 2019 or whatever year it is, and we can put ShipIt International. And let's actually make like a about us, a little Easter egg for the person using it. So we can go here, and then actually if we go to the menu screen, we can actually copy the background color so the person using the app doesn't really get annoyed by why is there a lot of colors. And then we can put it right here, about us, and a button, and a go back so they can go back to the app without refreshing it. And let's put a text area so it's much easier for us to edit. And we'll do that. Make sure you click read only, because when they're using the app, they can't like edit it. We can go ahead and put in our about us message. So ShipIt Global is a division of ShipIt International. Our company strives to making sure that every delivery counts while being backed by our ShipIt guarantee. We promise that every delivery counts while having to pay a low price on the current item you're selling. Oops. Grammar is incorrect. So on the current item you're selling. ShipIt International is a company that monitors the delivery to make sure it gets to every door it can. Thanks for choosing ShipIt Global. And then we can make space, or like 2 spaces, and put ShipIt Global, period. And we need a motto. Where excellence comes to shipments. And we can all put that in the center, and maybe it'll look a little nicer. Alright, we got it. So we have the menu screen and the About Us. So let's go ahead and make the tracking. So we're going to be using the Data tab now. And let's go ahead and do tracking. Okay, so we can have the number here. And then we can have the status. And we can also put current delivery or current warehouse and current and addressed too. Okay, so we have all that. And we can go ahead and create a random tracking number actually. So we can put 0001. Oh, wait, we should add one more. We should put rank. Okay, so here we have the shipping number right here. And then we have the status. We can say in store. And we can put the current warehouse is, oh wait, we can put original warehouse, oops, original location, and then it will be 100 Carlo Streets, and Avocado Land, California, oops, 00021, and then we can put address to 1001 Carlo Place Southeast, Sharpener, Washington 00004, and we could put the break as priority mail, or actually no, we'll do 1 day shipments. Okay, so we have all that set up. Oh, while we're here actually, we can actually do accounts. So here will be the username, password, the rank, and the account, and the name, and so wait, we have the username, password, rank, name, and and location, which will just tell us the employee is at this location or this person's at that location. Okay, and then we will have something called prepaid labels, and we will put here number, location from, and location to. I actually want to add the name and who it's addressed to, including with here name. Okay, so let's go ahead and make all the screens. So we can go ahead and do tracking, and then we can use the same background color and put tracking. Okay, so since we have all that set up, we can go ahead and do go back, and then we can go ahead and say please enter your tracking information to get started. We'll have a text box here, and then we can go ahead and type in tracking number. And then we can go ahead and type in start or track. And we'll keep it somewhere around a darker color. And then we can duplicate the screen just to make it a little easier for us. So the background changes to white, but we can also always change the background color back to its original color. And it changes the screen name. We can't put tracking because the ID is just gonna be a little weird for the code. So we can put tracking 2, and then we can put right here tracking number, and we can go ahead and actually make it go to the left, and we can go ahead and go to the right and put track number. Okay, next we can go ahead and put the address to, and we can go ahead and make that go to the right, and we'll put to address to. Actually, let's take out this part, and since the address is going to be long, and we can just put right here on top address to, and it will say the address all in the center. And then we can go, and we're not gonna add who it's from because of privacy, of course. And then that should be it. And then we can take out this and this and put status of shipment center, and we can actually duplicate this so we can get the same size. And okay, well, I changed it, but it's okay. And we have all of that. So we can go ahead and continue on with what else we have to do. So we can go ahead and do the purchase prepaid label. So prepaid label. So now on our prepaid labels, we can go ahead and do, actually, let's not mess with the prepaid label yet. We can go ahead and go to login account. And since we're here, we can put login account, log into your account, and then we can go ahead and put go back again just for simplicity, and we can go ahead and make the background color the same. And it says with an account you can have simplicity on purchasing prepaid labels, and more. And we can put that and center it. We can go ahead and make some text boxes. That will be username, and that will be password. And since it's a placeholder, we can just put username and password. We're actually going to take this out, so we can add that maybe on the next screen. And we can go ahead and put login. Okay, so I'm going to stop it here, guys. So we have pretty much mostly all of the core applications that we can do right now. We'll continue on with designing next time, and then later on we can mess around with the data and the code. So thanks for watching, everyone, and my name is Carlo, and if you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below.